So first off, let's just start with what did you bring to make our Faire Lille?
I came here with a project of recycled paper. So here we make bricks out of a big amount of paper that we've been gifted by a printing company close to here.
Yeah.
Yes. And the idea was to share with the public the fact that you could make some very good stuff out of garbage.
Yeah.
Because this paper is garbage, actually. And we've decided to transform this paper into very nice bricks that we make out of 3D printed molds.
Yeah,
And,
okay.
That's a project we are very excited about.
It's beautiful. I love the way it looks. These colors are fantastic. The shapes are cool. So what is the process? You tear it up. I see, you're doing a little bit of mixing by hand here. Do you shred it somehow or?
So we shred it. We shred it by hand. Well, as we're in the Maker Faire, we use a shredding machine because
Yeah.
it's very long. Then we mix these small pieces of paper with water. Then we mix it. After mixing it, we just dry them a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we mix it with glue,
Okay.
which is like liquid glue.
Yeah.
And afterward, we put the mixture into that kind of mold, actually.
Yeah.
Very simple molds in different shapes. And then we press it, and then we put it back. Well,
This is fantastic. Yeah, after it dries,
Yeah.
you pop it out to dry. That's wonderful. These look beautiful.
okay.
Is there a website or anything where somebody could learn more if they're
Yeah.
watching the video?
Actually, we have a website because we're a design studio in Toulouse, France. The address of the website is Candid, C-A-N-D-I-D.
Okay.
project.com.
Okay, so for the Americans, it would be candid-project.com.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you so much for explaining this.
Thank you